Welcome to Careers 360. The University of Delhi has published the DU First Seat Allotment List 2023 for UG courses in online mode. Candidates can check their DU 2023 seat allotment by visiting the official website admission.uod.ac.in. DU seat allotment will be published in 3 rounds, followed by a special round if there are any vacant seats. The DU Seat Allotment 2023 is used for admission to the UG courses in various colleges affiliated to Delhi University. Please watch the full video to learn how to check the DU Seat Allotment 2023. How to check DU Seat Allotment 2023? Go to the official website admission.uod.ac.in. Click on CSAS UG Registration 2023 link. Fill out your CUET application number, password and CAPTCHA verification code. Now click on the login option. A new window will open. Select the View Seat Allocation option. DU seat allocation list will be displayed on the screen. Save the DU allocation list for future reference. For more details, check the link in the description box below.